Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video I will be sharing some of the important tips for the upcoming Nagaland police recruitment Viva examination. So for those of you who have appeared well, who have written well in your written examination, so I hope this video will find important. First and foremost, the basic thing is to dress properly, and it is not necessary that you have to wear only the formal suit dress. Even the simple shirt or the formal simple pant it will do. And for boys, don't forget to trim your hair and shape your beard. Keep yourself confident and presentable. And for girls, put a simple formal dress or a salwar and tie your hair and put a minimum makeup. That will do. Coming to the main point, these are the basic questions usually asked in every competitive examination. So the first thing is you have to know about yourself. They might ask you to introduce yourself and the reason why you are joining the Nagaland police. And they might even ask about your strength and the weakness. So prepare all these kind of questions. And the next thing is, and this is important, you have to know about the basic Nagaland general knowledge GK. So these are the basic one, like governor of Nagaland, chief minister, capital city, or even any other questions that are basic one. So you have to be thorough with this kind of questions. These are the basic questions. If you wish, you may note down. And another question might be on basic general knowledge about the India. So you have to thorough with this, like national symbol of India, president, prime minister, Indian flag colors, meaning, and all these things. So you have to be thorough about the general knowledge of both the Nagaland and India as a whole. And the next is it might be on police related questions about the police administration and about their duties and all. So you have to go through. They might try to understand your IQ, and they might try to understand your point of view about the corruption and also how you can handle or manage the public agitation and how your opinion on public law and order. And the last important thing before the Viva is practice for mock interview. It can be within your friends or your family, or even you can put the mirror in front of you, or even you can put your phone and record yourself. So the practice makes a man perfect. So that's the only thing. And yeah, these are the most common sample questions. So they might ask you like, why should we select you? What is your goal in life? What is your role model? What is discipline? And what is the role of police in society? So for all this, you have to prepare your notes from now on.